walang definite na pagkagamitan. Nakapark lang doon.
Bawal sa Supreme Court ruling yun.
Kaya nga, that's what we're saying. Ang definition lang kasi ng mga congressmen ng pork is yung post legislation or nakalamsam siya, hindi pa defined dahil nakalamsam na 200 million or 70 million, whichever is the case. Pero walang description. In this case, nakapark to as lump sum and tama, that's also considered for as per a Supreme Court ruling. Meron pang ruling Supreme Court na pagka yung it amounts to abuse of discretion, pork pa rin yun. Kasi kung lump sum, merong subject to sa abuse of discretion, di ba? Pareho rin yung pareho ng kahinatnan nun.
Sir, according to Subiri, malabo yung idea na i-adapt yung House version dahil...
Well, I can see the sentiment of my colleagues kasi nga, marami rin silang amendments. Pag in-adapt namin House version, goodbye to their amendments. And I can understand the sentiments of my colleagues. That is why I just floated the idea, hoping that, we can fast-track the enrollment of the bill, the budget bill, and also to prevent further mangling of the national budget by way of individual amendment.
Kasi paano yung puma-adapt dito kung may nakita na agad kayo ng part 1?
Well, magiging savings yun. Or the President will veto yung mga amendments which we only have to point out.
Okay.
Tulad ng ginawa namin for the 2019 budget, the Senate President, on behalf of the Senate, wrote the President, di ba? And these are the items.